Hey everyone, welcome back to BryanChinese Pinyin Course. Last time we covered 3 initials that can be tough for non-native speakers. Let's refresh. Repeat after me. 鸡, qi, xi. Great job. Today we are diving into the remaining tricky initials. There are 7 in total. Z, ci, si, and zhi, chi, shi, ri. I'm grouping them into 2 sets, the flat tongue group and the curled tongue group. For now, let's focus on flat tongue group. Z, ci, si. To say these correctly, rest your tongue lightly against the back of your upper front teeth with your upper and lower teeth close together. In syllables, these syllables sound like ts, 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 and they are all unvoiced, meaning no throat vibration. Think of z, ts, like the ds in kids, kids. C, ts, like the ts in cats or its, and s, like the s in sit or said. Let's break them down one by one. Let's dive into the first initial. Z. Repeat after me. Z. Z. In Chinese syllables, Z sounds like Z. Let's try it with some simple finals. Z, a, za. With the third tone, it's za, meaning what or how. The full tone is za. The daily use is za. For example, 咋了 means what happened. 咋了 z, z. With the second tone, it's 则, meaning so or therefore. Use a rising tone. 则, 则. Z, i, z. This one is tricky. The I here isn't the usual simple final E sound. Instead, it's a special buzzing sound like a humming Z. We write it as I in Pinyin because there's no better letter to use, but you don't need to worry about the symbol. My tip is when you see Z, don't say Z, E, Z. That's not right. Just start with Z and let air flow. Keep your tongue relaxed and let it hum naturally. Z, z. For clarity, I will write it as z to help you capture the sound. The buzzy z sound also applies to c and s. With the fourth tone, it's z, meaning word, using a falling affirmative tone. Z, 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 u, zu. With the third tone, it is 组, meaning group. The full third tone is 组. The daily use is 组. Let's try them all again. 扎, 则, 资, 租. Now let's move on to our second initial. 呲. Repeat after me. 呲, 呲. In Chinese syllables, 呲 sounds like 呲. Unlike anything in English, it's unvoiced, so there's no throat buzz, but it is heavily aspirated compared to z with a strong burst of air. Hold your hand near your mouth to feel it. Let's try some syllables with c, c, a, ca. With the first tone, it's ca, meaning wipe. Keep it high and steady. Ca, ca. 呲, ce. With the fourth tone, it's 侧, meaning bathroom or toilet. Use a sharp falling tone. 侧, 侧. 呲, i, ci. Just like z, it's not the usual simple final e sound. It's a buzzy humming z sound. Don't say 呲, i, qi. It's not right. Start with ts and let the air burst out. keep your tongue relaxed and let it hum naturally. For clarity, I will write it as to help you capture the sound. With the second tone, it's 词, meaning word. 词, 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 乌, 粗. With the fourth tone, it's 醋, meaning vinegar. Say it using a falling affirmative tone. 醋, 醋. Let's go again. 擦, 车, 吃, 粗. Now let's tackle the final initial in our flat tongue group. 丝, repeat after me. 丝, 丝. In Chinese syllables, 丝 sounds like s, much like the S in sky. It's unvoiced, so there's no throat vibration. Let's practice some syllables with 丝, 丝, 啊, 撒. With the first tone, it's 撒, meaning release or let go. Keep it high and steady. 撒, 撒. 丝, 色. With the fourth tone, it's 色, meaning color. Use a sharp falling tone. 色, 色. 丝, 一, 丝. Just like 滋 and 吃, the I here isn't the usual simple final E sound. It's a humming Z sound. Don't say 思, 一, 西 like Spanish. Start with S. Let the air flow. Keep your tongue relaxed and let it hum naturally. S, 思, 思. For clarity, I will write it as 思 to help you capture the sound. With the fourth tone, it's 四, meaning four, using falling affirmative tone. 四, 四, 思, 乌, 苏. With the fourth tone, it's 速, meaning speed. 速, 速. Let's try it again. 撒, 色, 思, 苏. You did a great job mastering the flat tongue initials. 滋, 吃, 思. Now let's dive into the next set of tricky initials. 知, 吃, 诗, 日, known as curled tongue group. To say them, you need to curl your tongue back toward the roof of your mouth. Let's hear them first. Read after me. 知, 吃, 诗, 日. Notice how they sound a bit muffled, like your tongue's filling your mouth? That's the curl at work. For accurate pronunciation, start with your tongue in the shh position, like telling someone to be quiet, and lift it slightly higher toward the roof of your mouth. Try it again. 知, 吃, 诗, 日. In syllables, these sound like ch, ch, sh, and r. The first three ch, ch, sh are unvoiced with no throat vibration, while r is voiced, so you will feel a buzz. Think of 知 like the GE in large, 吃 like the CH in church, 诗 like the SH in ship, and the r is the ending sound of 知, 吃, 诗. We will explore them one by one next. Let's start with the first curled tongue initial, 知. Repeat after me. 知, 知. In Chinese syllables, 知 sounds like ch, unvoiced with no throat buzz until the final kicks in. Now let's practice some syllables with 知, 知, 啊, 扎. With the fourth tone is 炸, meaning explode. Say it using falling affirmative tone. 炸, 炸. 知, 这. With the fourth tone is 这, meaning here. 这 zhi, zhi. This one is tricky too. The I here isn't the Euro simple final E sound. Instead, it is a special sound like a curled humming R. We write it as I in Pinyin because there is no better letter to use. But you don't need to worry about the symbol. My tip is when you see zhi, don't say zhi, ji. Just start with ch. Squeeze the air out, relax your tongue, and let it hum naturally. Ch, ch. For clarity, I will write it as zhi to help you capture the sound. With the third tone is zhi, meaning only. Zhi, 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 wu, zhu. With the fourth tone is zhu, meaning live. Use a falling affirmative tone. Zhu, zhu. Let's try it again. Jia, zhe, zhi, zhu. Now let's move on to our next curl tongue initial. Ch. Repeat after me. Ch, ch. In Chinese syllables, ch sounds like ch, with a stronger pop of air than ch, making it more aspirated. Let's try some syllables with ch, ch, a, cha. With the second tone is cha, meaning tea. For example, 喝茶 means drink tea. 绿茶 means green tea. 吃 车. With the first tone is 车 meaning car. For example, 开车 means driving a car. 吃like 吃. The I here isn't the Euro simple final sound. It's a buzzy R sound. Don't say 吃 chi. No, that's not right. Curl your tongue and start with ch. Push the air out, relax your tongue, and let it hum naturally. Ch, ch. For clarity, I will write it as ch to help you capture the sound. With the first tone is ch, meaning eat. Ch, wu, chu. With the first tone is chu, meaning going out. Chu. Let's go again. Cha, che, chi, chu. Let's dive into our third curl tongue initial. Shi. Repeat after me. Shi. In Chinese syllables, shi sounds like sh. Let's practice some syllables with shi, a, sha. With the second tone is sha, meaning what. Use a rising tone. Say sha. Sha means what? Shi, she. With the second tone is she, meaning snake. Don't say it like English she. Keep that curled tongue. Use a rising tone. She, shi, shi. Like zhi and chi. The I here isn't the Euro simple final E sound. It's a buzzy R sound. Don't say shi, she. That's not right. Curl your tongue. Start with sh. Push air out. Relax your tongue and let it hum naturally. Sh. For clarity, I will write it as sh to help you capture the sound. With the fourth tone, it's shi, meaning is MR. For example, 那是啥? What is that? 诗屋书. with the first tone is 书, meaning book. For example, 那是啥书, meaning what book is that? Let's try it again. 沙舍诗书. Let's wrap up with our final curled tongue initial. Repeat after me. In Chinese syllables, sounds like unlike it's voiced, so you will feel a buzz in your throat. It's close to the humming at the end of but it's quite different from English R in run. Let's practice some syllables with with the first tone is 热, meaning hot. Use a falling affirmative tone. 热热like 知 ch and sh. The I here isn't the usual simple final e sound. It's a buzzy sound. Don't say e, ri. Curl your tongue. Start with r. Extend the sound and let your throat hum naturally. For clarity, I will write it as to help you capture the sound. With the first tone is 日, meaning day or sun. 日如. With the first tone is 入, meaning enter. Say it using a falling affirmative tone. 入 Let's try it again. 热如. Now let's compare our two groups to hear the difference. We have the flat tongue group 滋 c 思 and the curled tongue group 知 ch 诗 日. The key is tongue position. Flat for 滋 c 思 with the tongue slightly touching the back of your upper front teeth, and curled back toward the roof of your mouth for 知 ch 诗 日. Let's practice them side by side. 滋知 c 吃 思 诗 日. Feel how 滋 c 思 stay flat and crisp, while 知 ch 诗 日 have that curled sound. Now let's do a full review of all the tricky initials we learned today. By initials, 滋 za 则 zi 租 ci 擦 ce 吃 粗 si 撒 se 丝 苏 知 扎 遮 知 猪 吃 叉 车 吃 出 师 杀 奢 诗 书 日 热 日 ru. By finals, 啊 za 擦 撒 扎 叉 沙 则 侧 色 遮 车 奢 热 一 滋 呲 丝 知 吃 诗 日 乌 租 粗 苏 猪 出 书 ru. Now it's time for listening quiz. Pick the one you hear from each pair. 扎 擦 诗日沙热租出书资知此吃思入. You're doing an awesome job tackling some of the trickiest pinyin initials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be glad to help out. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot and keeps me motivated to create more fun and effective Chinese learning content. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.